welcome to HES Enrichment. My name's Janine, and I'm going to show you some really fun things to do for guinea pigs today. So why are we talking about guinea pigs? Well, at the shelter typically we have dogs and cats, right? But right now we have 9 guinea pigs. And so it's important that we provide them enrichment so that they are happy until we find them a forever home. So we're going to make guinea pig enrichment trees, and it's going to be really easy, and I bet you have all the things you need right in your house. So the first thing you're going to need is a paper towel roll or a teepee roll. Whichever one works is fine. You're going to need a piece of cardboard. Make sure your cardboard doesn't have too much ink, it doesn't have any tape or anything like that on it. And I just took my cardboard right off of a box. So that's where I got mine. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need some sticks. And where I got my sticks is I just went out in the backyard. So guinea pigs, their teeth continuously grow their entire life, and so they have to chew on things to kind of wear their teeth down. And sticks are a great thing that they love. You can buy sticks, but you can also get them right out of your yard. We don't use any chemicals in our yard, so I know that these sticks are nice and will be great for a guinea pig. And so you want to avoid any kind of pine trees or cedar trees, but hardwood trees are just fine. So this is an oak tree from our backyard. Alright, so I've got a couple of sticks, and that is all I need. Oh, and my glue gun. So of course glue guns are something that your grown-up should help you with because they're hot, so you want to do that. But, okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I like to use paper towel rolls because they're just a little longer than a teepee roll. And I'm just going to cut it in half. So do that, like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut some strips in the top. So it's going to look like this, just all the way around. And you will see, this is kind of cool. This is going to be the top of our tree. Now if you hear some licking, that's because my main man Chessie is hanging out, and he's got a Kong with his own enrichment inside his Kong, and he's licking and having a good time while I'm paying attention to guinea pig stuff. Let's see, so I'm almost all the way around. Almost, there we go. Okay. Alright, so we're going to dip that, and I'll go back to that in a second. So the next thing we're going to do is the sticks are going to go through the guinea pig tree. So we got to make some holes in this too. The best way to do that is with a pair of scissors. I'm going to use this little bottle because it helps keep my my paper towel roll kind of in its shape while I poke a hole in it. So it's kind of hard when you don't have something like this. So you can I've just got a vitamin bottle. Whoop. Watch out. And then you put a hole on the other side, right across from it. Alright, so that's going to be one of our branches. And then I'm going to move a little down, and I'm going to do the same thing, but in a different angle. And we'll do one right here. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to do one more. I'm just going to push this, let's see, I'm going to put this bottle on this side. This just helps me hold it in place. Okay, so we'll put one right here. And like that. Your holes don't have to be perfect, as you can tell. I'm just kind of, come on now. There we go. Okay, alright. So, so that, I'm going to do that part, and before I put well, let's go ahead and put the sticks in now. That'll make it easier. So I've got one stick that's already the right size. I'm just going to stick it through the hole and out the other side. Just like that. So, and then let me cut another stick. Let's see. We'll put this stick in the middle, like that. And this last stick, the stick's kind of long, so let's see, we'll cut it too. We'll cut it a little shorter. Okay, we'll put this way. All right, so we now have a tree. All right, so this is where our glue gun comes in handy. And what you do is you take your cardboard and you just get your glue. Hot glue, just a little bit, enough to, come on, where's that glue coming out? There it is. Okay, I'll just put a little glue on the edge, like that, and you just stick it right on here, like that. Very easy. And then we're going to take the top and we're just going to pull it down, like that. All right, now this has got to dry. So I made one of these earlier today that's already dried. So I know that I can do the second part. So let me put the, I don't know, I think it's the tree's hair or something on top. All right, so what we're gonna do now is, let me get rid of this glue gun, or get rid of that, so I have some space to work. And here is a bunch of fruits and vegetables. So this is gonna be a tree. What's over here? All right, so what I've done is I've taken a bunch of fruits and veggies, and I've already put holes in some of them, but guinea pigs love fruits and vegetables, and it's really important for their diet. So I've already, like I said, put holes in them. So like this is a cucumber, and I'm just gonna poke it right there on the tree. And let's see, we've got some other cucumbers, just like that. What else do I have on here? I have tomatoes. They like tomatoes, and you can just hang it right there. I've also got tomatoes like these, little cherry type tomatoes, and I'm going to use one of my sticks and put a hole in it, and then it can go right on this stick, like that. Let's see, I also have red pepper, and I didn't make holes in these yet, so I'm gonna just do that. And I'm just gonna take a knife, just a kitchen knife, it's not very sharp, and I'm just kind of wiggling my knife around in there. And now we can put that, let's see, we'll go this way. We just put that on there like that. We've got carrots. Let's see. Guinea pigs like carrots. What else do I have? Lettuce. Oh my gosh. The guinea pigs at the shelter, their favorite is lettuce. And you can take scissors and cut lettuce really easy. And then what I do is I just cut a little hole in it. And it makes it really easy to hang. So we're just gonna put it on there like that. And they like all kinds of lettuce. They like spinach, regular lettuce, and of course it's really easy just to tear a hole in your lettuce. All right, let's put a piece there. Okay, now I also have fruit. So I've got watermelon, which is delectable according to guinea pigs. So we're going to put that right here. You can just easily push that on. I have bananas. So you can put a banana on there. Uh-oh, my banana broke. Let's see, you got to be careful. Let's put the banana on the skinny stick. down here. That'll work better. Okay. All right. And you can add as much as you want onto here. I'm gonna put another cucumber right there. All right, and so there's my treat. And then in the top of it, I'm gonna put some really good stuff. So I just went out into my yard and I got some grass. And you can put that in the top. Guinea pigs love grass. And you wanna make sure that you don't have any chemicals or things like that in your grass if you're gonna use your grass from your yard. All right, so there we go. And you know what, just for fun, I'm gonna put a big old piece of lettuce in the top of the grass. All right, so there is my guinea pig treat tree. And the next part of this video, we're gonna hand them out and show you what the guinea pigs at the shelter think about it. So keep watching. Enjoying his enrichment tree. This is James, and he's available for adoption along with 6 other guinea pigs. Can you hear him talking? Are you gonna talk? Huh? Well, I hope you enjoyed our video today, and I hope that if you have a guinea pig that you provide them lots of fruits and vegetables and lots of fun enrichment. And if you don't have a guinea pig but think you might like one, or maybe your class at school is looking for one, please give us a call here at the Humane Society. We would love to adopt out some of our guinea pigs. All right, everyone.